Here's how to hide or delete screen time data on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into the settings app of your iPhone. And you probably guessed where we're going to go, but let's just scroll down and tap on screen time here. Now you'll be able to see this is all of the data associated with my screen time. In here it shows screen time, it shows various apps that I've used, websites that I've visited, pickups, etc. Now let's say I want to delete this data or not show certain data on here. Unfortunately, there's no way to be able to go in here and choose to not show various apps or websites, for instance, Roblox. However, I can go back out of here and then scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to hit the turn off app and website activity. Keep in mind you might have a screen time passcode, and if you do, all you need to do is just enter it in to turn this off. Let's hit turn off, and you'll be able to see now at the very top there is no screen time data. However, I can just tap on app and website activity and hit turn on app and website activity. Keep in mind, sometimes this deletes out all of the data on here, essentially turning it off and then turning it back on. However, if you still find that all of the data is still on here, essentially what you need to do is go down, hit turn off app and website activity again, and then we're going to restart your phone. So press the volume up and side button until you can slide to power off. Basically, just turn your phone off for maybe 10 minutes, turn it back on, and then turn that screen time activity back on, and everything will be deleted.